Hey guys, welcome to Endurance Laser Lab. In this video I want to show you how you may do rust removal. So this is all old steel plate covered with rust. Let's do rust removal with an Endurance 10 watt DPSS laser model. We install it here. Okay, focus. I'll increase in ISO that you guys can see it better, and let's run the process. Keep in mind that while you work with a laser you need to wear protective goggles like this, so you can see it will protect your retina and your eyesight. Okay. So we actually added one step, so you'll see a line. So our initial goal was to show you the result, not just to remove everything, but it's actually nice that you can do rust removal on your 3D printer and clean different steel metallic parts. Okay. We can do it once again. Just to show you another part. So, and it's also pretty fast. And I think it's quite practical. So if you have an old thing that you want to remove rust and you don't want to use chemicals, I think it's really cool idea to use a diode pumped laser for this application. Okay, almost done. Okay. I think it looks nice. So hope that you like this video, guys. Share it with your friends and have a wonderful rust removal with an Endurance 10 watt DPSS laser model. Bye bye.